So guys, for the first method, if this comes up on your screen, you're going to click on Advanced. And then once you click on Advanced, you're going to be seeing Sec Error Expired Certificate. Now you're going to click on Accept the Risk and Continue. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to Search and type in Date and Time Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have Set Time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on Sync Now. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to click on the three lines in the top right. Now you're going to click on Settings. And then once this comes up, we're going to type in right here in this box, Update. Now you're going to click on Check for Updates. Make sure that your Firefox is fully up to date. Another thing we could try is you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on History, and then Clear Recent History. You can now set the when to everything, and make sure that you have cookies and site data and temporary cache files both selected. And you can select everything here, and you can unselect history if you want. But make sure you have cookies and site data selected, cache files and site settings all selected right here. And then click on Clear. And then once you've done that, you want to close out of Firefox, open it back up again, and then the problem should be fixed.